Welcome to this tutorial from Hard Edge Media. We will talk about the basics of After Effects, which are mostly used by the professionals around the world. Project panel is the first stage of building any After Effects project. Now, use mouse right click to make a new composition, which will have layers. Composition has name of your projects, dimensions, frame rate, and duration. Import is used to get new assets to your project, like audio, video, images, and other assets or footages. Timeline is the second part. Here you will have layers and assets. So, also mouse right click, then new to add the layers you want, like text. Also add camera, then hit OK. Use selection tool, then use anchor point tool with the snapping checkbox to move it to the middle of the text. Select the text, then open it to transform rotation and specify a start key in the timeline. Then click the watch to start animation. Pick a second point, then change rotation to 90 degrees. Now hit play from preview to see the results. To use camera, you need to check 3D layer to change any layer from 2D to 3D status, so the camera can catch it. Now use C to activate the camera. Hitting C multiple times can change camera movement types like zoom, orbit, and track. You can animate any layer, even camera, with the same way. Link tool is used to link a layer to other layer. For example, add a null layer, then link the text to it, so that the text layer will follow the null layer with the transform. Effects are the most important part of the program because it adds the unique style for the work. Now import an image. Go to blur and sharpen, then add fast box blur, then test some of its features. To deactivate or activate any effects, just turn off or on the effects letters beside the name of the effect. Now let's go to color correction and select curve to control the colors of image by channels, either RGB, isolated channels, or alpha channels. Generate to add new effects elements to the layer. For example, for color gradient is making colorful background with 4 colors and the blending ability. Adding green is another famous effect for movies. Now change viewing mode to final output, then you can choose from presets. In perspective, you can use bevel alpha to add 3D edges to any shapes, plus drop shadow for shadow effects. A glow is another famous effect in stylize, so just specify threshold, radius, intensity, and glow dimensions to get the wanted results. Now some final touches are Files menu to open a new files, save files, and import footage or assets. To prepare any project to final render, select the project, then go to composition and add to Adobe Media Encoder to start rendering it. Thanks for your time. Please support me by pressing the subscription button. If you like the video, press the like button. If don't, please mention that below. See you in the next tutorial.